Hey friends, if you wish to learn generative erase using generative erase on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So right click on any photo of your choice and open it with Photos. And you can also launch the Photos app and upload it from there. Basically, you need to reach the image in the Microsoft Photos app. Once you reach this image, for example, this is my photo, click on this button here, which is Edit Image, and wait for it to load. Then there is an option here which says Erase. Click on Erase, and then you will notice a brush here. You can increase or decrease its size using this slider, and this is auto apply. If you switch it off, you'll have to click on Erase. If you switch it on, then it will automatically erase it. So I'll use this to select a portion, let's say this portion, for erasing objects in the background. And this will erase the objects using AI, and I drop it and you must have seen that this is all gone. Now it doesn't look perfect, but if you were to pick up smaller objects like this, only this portion, then you must have noticed that it is gone, and the background doesn't even look bad. I'll try to remove this charger. It's gone and the background doesn't even look bad. I'll try to remove the mouse. It's gone and it doesn't even look bad. And let's say I want to remove an eye. I'll just click on it and it's gone. I mean, it looks as if the eyes are closed. Okay, so you can use it in patches. I'll remove the spectacles as well. And this is how it works. If you use it in patches, it will make a lot more sense than using it in bulk. Otherwise, it will simply replicate the background. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.